what is the orbit world? Could you please start?
Okay, a brief introduction. I'm Husam Yaghi, and I've been in the technology field for the past 35 years or so. I work on the group vice president for Mawarid. Mawarid is a big name in the region. There is Mawarid Holding, which is our mother company. The Mawarid Holding has 4 different groups. MMCG has about 10 different companies. 4 or 5 of them are in the media, and they all carry the name Orbit, and the rest of them are in telecommunications and technology. The largest is Salam. Salam is one of 3 major telecommunication providers in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so since we have 100+ companies, and there is good synergy between a lot of these companies, we've decided in MMCG to build a metaverse, what we call Orbit World Metaverse, that serves a lot of the real businesses, the brick and mortar businesses that we have. We have them, as you see in this 2-dimensional diagram, they are clustered as districts. So we have the FinTech district, and it will have several companies. One of them is our own, it's called Interactive Smart Financials. Then you have connectivity, Salam is the largest, and so forth. The reason they are districts, because we are also planning to allow our partners to have digital presence in our metaverse. And the reason you see in here in front of this avatar, the Google Maps, because like I said in my title, this is the first commercial metaverse system in Saudi Arabia, and possibly it might be in the region as well, but I know for sure in Saudi Arabia. And people, when they come to the city, they can browse the products and they can place an order. And because when the avatar enters, we know the coordinates of the person's house or physical presence if he or she is at work, not at home. So the GPS coordinates are carried all along, and our AI engine in the background keeps track of it. We've decided to model our metaverse after GTA 5, meaning we know it's for business. So we don't want it to be cartoonish, with all respect for other metaverses, but for us, we decided we wanted to be as close to reality as possible. So GTA 5 is the model that we use. So you see the avatar walking into showroom, can check out items, try them out, and then place the order, and it gets delivered to his or her house. The Orbit World Metaverse builds on the slogan of the group. Our group, MMCG, the slogan is co-creating the future. There is no need really to fight. There is no need to monopolize technology or the universe. There is plenty of opportunities for everybody. On the contrary, we can create a lot more business, and we can create a lot more opportunities for us if we collaborate. Therefore, our metaverse focuses on inclusivity, which means we'd rather the system runs on, we want the system as many devices as possible, even if we have to lower the quality of the graphics, the video. Definitely the immersive experience may not be the same level depending on the device you use, but at least we don't want to exclude users because in case they cannot afford the high-end devices. We embrace definitely collaboration. We know metaverse systems are extremely expensive to build. time-consuming. Therefore, smaller shops, smaller companies, smaller businesses might want to join. They might want to have presence in the metaverse, but because of the required time and cost, they might think 3 times, 4 times. Therefore, we want to remove that barrier. Since we have a telco company with lots of data centers and several data centers in the kingdom, lots of fiber optics all over the kingdom to houses and financial institutions and companies and government agencies. We have our own fiber optic network in addition to the wireless and the mobile. So we want to capitalize on that. We want to collaborate with partners and other providers, whether business providers or technology providers, so that we deliver a very powerful, practical system. Definitely, every new technology comes with drawbacks, comes with risk, with threats. Therefore, security is one of the main pillars in our system from day one when we started the design. And again, when I reach the Salam, which is our telco company, the Salam slides, I will see why security is natural also for us. And I stated here some of the services that we're using, just for reference. No need to go through each one of them. Also, we created our own cryptocurrency or utility to be used within our metaverse. It will be used for loyalty rewards. It could also be used for payment. We will not mandate Comet, the name of the currency. We will not mandate it to be used inside the metaverse because we want to give freedom of choice to our community members and users. But definitely it is one of the payment means. This is the website for it. Definitely soon, within about a month and a half, it will be launched on distributed exchanges, so that our users can benefit from the accumulated coins. Okay, we built the city, but the city has, as you've seen, 8 different verticals. It is impossible from day one to have all the 8 verticals or 8 different business sectors operational on the metaverse. So we've built the city, but we're focusing only on the Salam as stage 1. Salam is a telecommunication company. This is their website, and we're converting them. We're moving them to the metaverse. We're adding immersive experience, and I'll show some of the ideas. And there is many reasons for that. The telco companies have lots of resources, whether it's data centers, whether it's expertise, human expertise, whether it's connectivity and what have you. But right now, they compete on the sale of 5G, edge computing. Some of the other telcos, possibly they do AI like us, possibly they have office advancement solutions. So we want to leverage these offerings and services by adding metaverse experience to it. We're not going to do it alone. We want to co-create the metaverse along with other telcos, financial institutions, and any interested partners. If I spend a few seconds on specific services, the edge computing definitely is very important. We all know that the metaverse is hungry for bandwidth and also storage, whether it's memory or hard disk. So we want to utilize the data centers we have and the hardware resources we have to provide the required resources to our users, so that we don't have to dump or shift that load on the end user device. We want the device to be as light as possible. In the background, we will do all the heavy computation and all the heavy rendering and so forth. Security definitely is very important. It is important today, but definitely with the metaverse, it will become even more important because it's not virtual anymore. We will have physical presence. We have avatars that some hackers, some people will target to copy it, to imitate, to do something illegal with. Some people will take advantage of it, being whether it's new or because of the facilities it offers. They will use it for, say, money laundering or washing sales and all the corrupt activities. So cybersecurity is one of the pillars of our system. Also, since Salam is a telco, not only it offers a lot of products, the products, some of them are our own and some are products of partners. Like, if I give example for the handsets, we don't manufacture handsets. So we have partners, they manufacture the handsets. We bundle them with some of the services that we have. So the marketplace we have is for our services, our offerings, our products, and also for partners and other companies to utilize our marketplace to promote their and sell their services and products. This is not a digital twin of Salam showrooms, but we want it to be as close to reality as possible. Notice with
could you please finish in a minute, because we already 1 minute past. Yeah, so
this slide, we want them to feel like they are home, where eventually in phase one right now, it is single player, but for the full production system, it will be multiplayer, meaning not only several customers can exist in the same showroom, but also customers can interact together. It runs on all devices, including low-level telephone sets. In Dubai, there was a wedding that was done virtually on the metaverse. So for who doubt the metaverse, it is real. In the kingdom where I am residing, the kingdom has announced the allocation of $6.5 billion for this technology. And NEOM is one of the leaders in this space. Thank you very much, and my apology for losing track of time. Thank you.
Thank you.